Every utility has a vision for smarter meter operations, but nobody starts with a blank slate. You're managing old meters, current meters, new meters coming online, changing vendors, and you already have systems that run your business. TerraGo software works with what you have today, plugging into your meter vendors, head-end systems, MDMS, GIS, asset management, and work management, so you don't have to rip out what's already working. TerraGo provides smart meter operation software fully customized to the way you want to run your operations, with vendor-agnostic flexibility that adapts as your grid evolves. From planning and inventory to installation, maintenance, and work orders, TerraGo manages the full meter lifecycle in one platform. TerraGo provides the AI-powered command center that orchestrates utility operations, turning alarms into actions and data overload into clear, actionable business intelligence. TerraGo helps electric utilities protect revenue, reduce truck rolls, lower maintenance expenses, and operate more efficiently. TerraGo is built for the grid you have today and the future you're building next. Scan this QR code to join our upcoming webinar or click the link in the description to learn more.